The great thing about potential talent is usually the initial investment in terms of money is less, but there's also more risk. I'm hiring potential or emerging talent, but there's been a couple of times where I've hired proven talent. One of those times was when I decided to open a call center. I don't know anything about running a call center, don't know the software, don't know how to do it. So I wanted to hire proven talent because it was a particular position that I needed someone who knew what they were doing and had already proven that they have succeeded in running a call center before. So that was one of the times where I actually hired proven talent. Most of the people in our organization are young. So most of them, I'm the oldest one by far, but most of them are emerging talent or even potential talent. So the great thing about potential talent is usually the initial investment in terms of money is less, but there's also more risk. So it's risk and money when you look at these three choices.